6G vision for 2030. Get ready for a future where everything is faster, smarter, and more connected, thanks to 6G. By 2030, 6G networks will bring ultra-fast internet speeds, almost zero delays, and super reliable connections that will change how we live our everyday lives. Imagine living in smart cities where traffic lights adjust in real time, energy use is optimized, and public services run smoothly. In healthcare, doctors will perform surgeries remotely with incredible accuracy, and people in remote areas will get the care they need instantly through advanced telemedicine. Entertainment will go to the next level with virtual worlds that feel real, giving you deeply personal experiences in gaming, movies, and more. Factories will run with smart robots powered by AI, and delivery drones will fly through cities without a hitch. Your devices, from phones to smart appliances, will all stay connected without interruptions, no matter where you are. October 2025 is packed with exciting events for anyone interested in aeronautics and aviation. One of the highlights is the Hack2Bridge Hackathon in Talence, France, where creative minds will come together to solve challenges in aeronautics, space, and defense using the latest tech like robotics and virtual reality. This event is perfect for innovators and tech enthusiasts eager to shape the future. In Madrid, Spain, the 15th EASN International Conference will gather researchers and industry leaders to discuss sustainable aviation and space technology. It's a great chance to learn about new ways to make flying and space exploration cleaner and more efficient. Over in the USA, Las Vegas will host the NBAA Business Aviation Convention and Exhibition, NBAA ACE, showcasing the latest aircraft and tech for business aviation professionals. It's a hub for networking and discovering the future of private and corporate flying. Heirloom, a new spin on wind power. Heirloom is reimagining wind energy with a completely fresh design that looks nothing like traditional wind turbines. Instead of huge spinning blades on tall towers, Heirloom uses vertical wings attached to cables that run along a large oval track, only 80 feet high. As the wind pushes these 33-foot wings, they move along the track and spin the cable, which generates electricity in a clever and efficient way. The best part? This system could cost nearly 3 times less than standard wind turbines, making clean energy more affordable than ever. Backed by Bill Gates' breakthrough energy ventures, Heirloom's system is lightweight, modular, and perfect for places where big turbines don't work, like small farms or areas with limited space. It's designed to be easier to install and maintain while still delivering powerful results. With pilot projects planned for 2025 and commercial demonstrations by 2027, Heirloom could change how we think about wind power. Ambidex Robot Meet the Ambidex Robot, an advanced robotic arm built to safely work alongside humans. It's super light, weighing just 2.6 kilograms, but don't let that fool you. It's fast, flexible, and strong enough to carry up to 3 kilograms. Designed with a unique cable-driven system, it moves smoothly and safely, making it perfect for tasks that require both speed and accuracy. What makes Ambidex really special is its incredible precision and fast response time, which means it can handle everything from light assembly work to delicate operations. But Ambidex isn't just about lifting things. It's smart too. It can be controlled in real time using 5G networks, allowing it to respond instantly from a distance. Even better, it can learn tasks on its own, like putting together an IKEA chair without human help. That means it's not only a helpful tool for industries, but also a future assistant in homes and offices. Audi ActiveSphere Concept. The Audi ActiveSphere concept is a futuristic electric car designed for people who love both luxury and adventure. It looks sleek and stylish like a sports car, but it's also built to handle rough roads and outdoor fun. Whether you're driving through the city or heading to the mountains, this car is made to do it all, quietly and cleanly, thanks to its powerful electric motor. What makes the ActiveSphere really special is its ability to transform. With just one touch, the back of the car can change into an open cargo bed, perfect for carrying bikes, surfboards, or camping gear. It's like having 2 vehicles in one, a sporty coupe and a rugged utility car. Inside, it's packed with high-tech features like augmented reality controls, a clean and spacious design, and even the option to let the car drive itself with autonomous tech. The ActiveSphere is perfect for people who want comfort, freedom, and the flexibility to explore. Axion jet-powered VTOL. The Axion is a futuristic flying machine that looks like a race car, but lifts off like a drone and flies like a jet. Created by Fusion Flight, it uses 8 powerful microturbine engines to reach speeds of up to 225 miles per hour and can launch straight up from almost any flat surface. Despite all that power, it runs on regular diesel or Jet A fuel and is compact enough to fit in a standard parking space. Whether you're flying it manually with advanced fly-by-wire controls or letting it fly itself with autonomous mode, the Axion is built to match your style. But it's more than just a flying car. It can also be turned into a rescue vehicle or a cargo drone, capable of carrying up to 176 pounds. Designed to handle extreme weather and high altitudes, the Axion is built for real-world adventure. Starting at $28,995, it offers an exciting new way to travel through the sky. China's robot mission to explore moon caves. China is preparing for future moon missions in a smart and exciting way by training robots on Earth to explore caves like the ones found on the moon. At a testing site near Jingbo Lake, researchers are using lava tubes, natural underground tunnels formed by volcanoes that closely resemble the moon's hidden cave systems. These advanced robots are learning how to walk through rough, rocky terrain, avoid obstacles, study surfaces, and even set up scientific tools like seismometers to detect moonquakes. This training is a big step toward China's goal of building a long-term base on the moon. Since moon caves could protect astronauts from harmful radiation and meteor strikes, they're being looked at as ideal spots for future habitats. These robots will be the first explorers to go inside and map out these caves. China's T-Flight, the world's fastest flying train. Imagine traveling at a speed of 4,000 kilometers per hour. Yes, that's faster than an airplane. China's T-Flight is a groundbreaking high-speed transportation concept created by the China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation, CASIC. This futuristic flying train combines magnetic levitation technology with vacuum tube travel, allowing it to glide through low-pressure tunnels with almost no air resistance or friction. The result is lightning-fast travel that could take you between cities or even countries in just minutes instead of hours. A trip that takes 5 hours by plane could be done in 30 minutes with T-Flight. It's faster than the Hyperloop and could completely change the way we move around the world. Colossia Mega Yacht. The Colossia Mega Yacht is a breathtaking concept that brings luxury, technology, and style together on the open sea. Designed to feel like a floating palace, this massive yacht offers everything you could imagine for a dream getaway. With its sleek and modern design, the Colossia stands out not just for its size, but for the incredible experience it promises. Step aboard and you'll find spacious lounges, elegant bedrooms, a swimming pool, a spa, a helipad, and even a private cinema. Whether you want to relax, entertain, or explore, this yacht has it all. Every space is designed with top-quality materials and smart technology to ensure total comfort and convenience. What makes the Colossia even more exciting is its focus on green technology. It's expected to run on clean energy, like solar power and advanced eco-friendly engines, making it a responsible choice for luxury travel. Deep-sea underwater habitat. The deep-sea underwater habitat is a next-level invention that lets people live and work deep under the ocean for weeks at a time. Designed by a company called Deep, this futuristic habitat, known as Sentinel, is a group of connected pods placed as deep as 200 meters below the sea. Each pod is about the size of an airplane fuselage and can fit up to 6 people, complete with living spaces, labs, and even moon pools for diving in and out. Built using robotic welding and 3D printing, these pods are strong, durable, and made for long-term missions. What makes it even cooler is its eco-friendly power system. It runs on a renewable energy microgrid connected to a satellite buoy and even includes a bioreactor to manage waste. These pods are also flexible. You can add more, move them to different locations, or customize them for different projects. DNSys Z1 exoskeleton. The DNSys Z1 is a smart and lightweight knee exoskeleton that gives your legs a serious power boost. Each leg unit weighs just 680 grams, but delivers up to 900 watts of power and 50 newton meters of torque. That means it can boost your leg strength by 50% while taking up to 150 kilograms of pressure off your knees. Perfect for people who love hiking, skiing, or climbing stairs. Thanks to its built-in AI, the Z1 reacts instantly to your movements, making every step smoother and easier. You'll be able to walk longer, climb higher, and feel less tired. It can even reduce your heart rate by up to 30% when going uphill, helping you save energy on tough climbs. The Z1 runs for 3 to 8 hours on a single charge, and with hot swappable battery packs, you can keep going all day. It's also water resistant, so a little rain won't stop your adventure. Ectolife, the future of artificial birth. Ectolife is a mind-blowing concept that imagines a world where babies could grow in high-tech pods instead of a mother's womb. Designed by Hashem Al-Ghaili, this artificial womb facility could grow up to 30,000 babies a year in glass-like growth pods, all powered by renewable energy. These pods would create a safe and sterile environment, simulating everything a real womb provides. Each pod is packed with sensors that monitor the baby's health, like heartbeat, oxygen levels, and movement, while artificial intelligence watches for any problems. Parents can track everything from a mobile app, watch their baby grow with time-lapse footage, and even talk or play music to the baby through built-in speakers. With VR and 360-degree cameras, they can feel connected every step of the way. Eurodrone, the future of European military drones. The Eurodrone is a next-generation military drone being developed by Airbus, Dassault, and Leonardo for Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. This powerful twin-engine UAV is built for long missions, capable of flying for up to 40 hours at heights of 13,700 meters. It can carry more than 2 tons of high-tech surveillance and combat equipment, making it perfect for tasks like spying, electronic warfare, maritime patrol, and even precision strikes. Unlike many military drones, the Eurodrone is built to NATO standards and is approved for flying in civilian airspace, which means it can operate safely across Europe. With its first test flight expected in 2027 and over 60 units already ordered, it's clear that European nations are investing in advanced, homegrown defense technology. This drone represents a major step toward reducing reliance on non-European defense systems. European company's IRIS satellite. The IRIS² satellite program is Europe's bold move to build its own advanced space network, providing ultra-secure communication and fast internet across the continent. With nearly 290 satellites planned, it will cover even the most remote areas, improve government communication, support emergency services, and reduce Europe's dependence on foreign tech like Starlink. Leading European companies are behind this massive project. SES, Eutelsat, and Hispasat will manage the satellite system under the SpaceRISE consortium. Meanwhile, tech giants like Airbus, Thales Alenia Space, OHB, and Telespazio are responsible for building the satellites. Deutsche Telekom is developing the high-speed communication systems and 5G networks that will make IRIS² work seamlessly on the ground. The European Commission, ESA, and EUSPA are overseeing the project with a total investment of over €10 billion. Future Malaysia Biodiversity, a green and thriving vision for 2030. Malaysia is charting an inspiring path toward a nature-rich future, blending biodiversity, innovation, and sustainable urban living. Here's a simplified and more engaging snapshot of its emerging vision in about 200 words. Malaysia, one of the world's most biodiverse nations, is embracing a bold future where conservation meets smart city design. Central to this vision is the Biodiversity Master Plan off Penang Island. Designed by BIG, Jarka Ingalls Group, the project imagines floating islands made from bamboo and recycled green concrete, powered by renewable energy. These islands would house around 15,000 to 18,000 residents each, surrounded by green buffer zones for wildlife and ecological resilience.